How to fix Samsung Smart TV wireless internet connection. So first of all, go to Settings from your main home screen. Then go to All Settings. Now, from here, go to Connections. From here, select Network. From here, go to Network Settings. Now over here, select Wireless. Now over here, you'll see your current wireless connection. You can scroll down below and you can add another network by selecting this option of Add Network. Then you can also select on this option of Scan if you wish to connect to another network service. If this step is not working, you can select Manage. Now from here, you can select your current wireless internet connection and then select the option of Delete at the bottom and then reconnect to that specific wireless network connection again. Now another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that you can select Reset Network. So once you select on this option of Reset Network, you will be able to reset network settings overall on your Samsung Smart TV. Now the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that you could turn your Wi-Fi router off and then turn it on again. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.